So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create smooth sliding text animation in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this it's pretty simple. Go to your effects pool right here, titles, and then your text. So we'll drag it right here and let's extend it right here to our full clip, and then let's place our text right here via inspector. So let's just place basic slide. So there you go. Now that we're done with that, all you have to do is go back to your toolbox and search for slide. Drag your slide to the front of the clip and in the back of the clip. So there you go. Now let's go to inspector. So here in inspector, we'll inspect our slide right here. So here we have to do in and out. So here's our in and out. So here in ease, we have to press in and out like that and do the same right here. So let's just do the same right here in ease, in the last one, in and out, and there you go. It's just that simple. So once you have done that, let's play the clip right here. So there's gonna be a basic slide, and in the end of the clip also there's gonna be a basic slide of the text. So there you go. So if this video was useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.